This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
Open Google Play Store. Click on the search bar, and search Google Drive. Click on the first result or check the video description for the direct link. Many of you might already have this app on your phone. If yes, then click on the Update button, and if not, then click on the Install button. Once installed or updated, click on Open. Log into your Gmail account, and click this plus button. Here, you'll see a bunch of options. You have to click on the scan. Now, click the image of the document whose PDF you wanted to make. If you're not satisfied with the image, then click this cancel button or click this tick button. You'll get to see a few options here. This button allows you to add more images. This is for rotation, and this is to save the PDF. You can crop your image by clicking this button from the top. By clicking this theme button, you can apply some effects. From the 3 dots options, you can do some basic operations. Now, let's save the PDF by clicking this tick button. Rename the document as your desired one. We'll rename this to My Document. And then click Save. Wait for the upload to get completed, and after that, you'll get to see your file here. Click on the 3 dots options, then scroll down a bit, and click on Download to use it offline or to share it on different platforms. You can also share this PDF with your contacts by clicking this Share option. Alternatively, you can also try these mentioned apps that perform the same actions with more features. Check the video description for the direct link. So this is all in this video. Please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel to see the upcoming updates. Thanks for watching.